Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a specific replacement part for Ep-s0n printers, specifically models L303, L351, and L353. This is a replacement printhead identified by the part number PRTA 15856. It's listed as a DIY supply, falling under office electronics and replacement accessories, described as a professional printhead that's practical for these particular Ep-s0n machines. Now, there's a really important note right up front about this specific part that anyone considering purchasing needs to be aware of. The item condition you receive will be either original refurbished or compatible new, and the seller states this is sent by random. This is a significant point, and the listing explicitly advises not to order if you mind this random assignment of condition. This means you could receive a printhead that was originally manufactured by Ep-s0n but has been refurbished, or you could receive a brand new printhead made by a third party designed to be compatible with these models. There's no option to choose, and the condition you get is purely by chance. For some users, receiving a refurbished original part might be preferable, while others might strongly prefer a brand new compatible one. The fact that it's a random draw is a critical factor in the purchase decision. Beyond the condition, there's another crucial instruction provided by the seller that cannot be stressed enough. Before placing an order, you absolutely must carefully check the item's appearance, its size, and its color, and compare it directly with your original printhead. The goal here is to make absolutely sure that the replacement part physically matches what you currently have in your machine. This step is vital for ensuring compatibility and avoiding purchasing a part that simply won't fit or function correctly in your specific printer. The listing also mentions that the model number, while provided, is just for reference. This reinforces the previous point. You should not order this part if the item does not look exactly like your original part or if the part number is not the same. Relying solely on the printer model number isn't sufficient. The visual match and the specific part number are the definitive checks you need to perform. This level of diligence is necessary because printer parts, even for the same model series, can sometimes vary slightly depending on the specific submodel or manufacturing batch. The package content for this replacement printhead is straightforward. You receive one piece. There are no other accessories or components included based on the description. It's just the printhead itself. So, in summary, if you're looking for a replacement printhead for your Ep-s0n L303, L351, or L353 printer with a part number PRTA 15856, this option is available. However, potential buyers must be fully aware of and comfortable with the fact that the condition will be randomly either original refurbished or compatible new. More importantly, you must take the time to visually inspect and compare this part's appearance, size, and color against your existing printhead and confirm the part number before making the purchase. Failing to do these checks could result in receiving a part that isn't compatible with your specific printer despite the model number being listed. It's a professional part designed for these machines, but the onus is on the buyer to ensure the physical match and accept the random condition.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.